Hey guys, Ronald here. If you have a phone that's kinda loose, you know, I will show you a trick without trying to replace the the Type C port yet. If you don't have time or money to bring it to the technician. Okay, let me show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is to roughen this surface, any of this surface. This is a PVC sheet. I wanted to roughen this part so that the glue would stick to it uh, harder or better. Let's just roughen this a little bit. Now let's put some glue. Okay, let's just wait for it to dry. Okay, so I have already roughened the surface of this one, and the other side. Since these are PVC sheets, I'm going to connect these two sheets using a PVC cement for a harder connection. Just a small amount. The bond would become homogeneous if you're going to use PVC cement on a PVC material. Okay, let's just wait for it to fully cure. I will also try to scratch the surface of this part so that the glue would stick better. Okay, let's wait for it to dry or solidify. Okay, it has dried up, so let's test it. I put a plastic sheet behind so that there is something that could push the back of this phone forward. because the angle of the Type-C port is trying to look for a spot for the charger to work, or for the charging to work. So depending on your phone, you might it might try to find that correct angle for the charging to work. So that's it. I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.